Have you ever been completely frustrated with the output that ChatGPT gives you? You take time to put in a prompt and it doesn't give you anything close to what you were expecting. It might even give you a completely wrong answer or do something called hallucinations where it just goes
entirely off the rails.
There's something wrong with you.
It's not always the AI's fault. It does have its constraints, but it's probably your prompt. So we're going to jump into the platform right now. I'm going to share a demonstration with you, and it's going to be all about context. Because if you put generic information in, you're going to get generic information out. So let's go in there. Let's do a generic prompt, and then let's put more context into the prompt. You'll see the value, and I truly think that after watching this video, you are going to generate just amazing and incredible results from here on out. Let's say that you're making leadership videos to promote your business consulting services, and you're making these for YouTube. Well, maybe you're coming to ChatGPT and look, I just need a little bit of help with making my videos better. How do I jump into YouTube and do that? You might ask a question like, I am making leadership training videos. Can you give me some YouTube tips to make my videos better? It's a fair prompt. It's something you might put into Google. And what you'll notice here is it is giving you some good information, but it's giving you some very generic information. Hook viewers early, keep it engaging and structured, be authentic and relatable. So as you can see, we put a fairly generic prompt in there, and we're just getting a very 101 overview of just how to make a better video. Let's make this a ton better. We're going to make this prompt much more relevant to what we're working on. So you're going to see that happen here. I run an exclusive leadership roundtable for high-level executives. What are 3 highly effective YouTube content strategies that attract premium clients while respecting their limited time and high expectations? So you'll see how relevant we made that prompt here. We have what we do, our target audience, and then an expectation from that audience. And as you'll see here, it's going to give us 3 really good concepts, not only titling it. So these are executive power briefs, 5-minute insights for high performers, very similar to what I'm doing here with my 2-minute plus or minus training videos. What it is, why it works, content ideas around it, and even a pro tip. And you're going to see it's going to give you 3 separate examples, an elite roundtable clip, private invitation series, make that very exclusive. And this result blows away that first result. And just like that, you have a result that is much more fine-tuned, and it's going to be much more valuable for you. Here's the 3 takeaways I want you to have from this video, and I'll do this very quickly. Define who you are and what your goal is. Instead of just saying something like, how can I grow my business? Really define that. I am a boutique marketing agency. Give me a 7-day strategy on how to generate 10 new leads. Very, very precise, very relevant. Number 2, tell it who your audience is. Instead of just writing to a generic audience, maybe you're writing to healthcare professionals. Let it know that that's happening. Then the content will be crafted for that target demographic. And then number 3, set some constraints. Nobody wants to go on LinkedIn, and I'm seeing this way too much at these unlock this and harness the power of that, and here's the long post with 932 emojis. They want precision. They want relevance. Even if it gives you that output, say, make it shorter, less emojis. Don't use AI sounding words, because here's the key. You don't want to sound like everybody else. And right now, everybody's starting to sound like AI. And if you look at my output, if you look at the stuff that I put out there, it looks much different than everybody else. And there's a reason for that. It's this precision, it's this relevance, it's the rest of the prompt IQ method that I'm sharing with you in all of these videos. Your results will be so much better than your competitors. All right, well, that's it for me today. My name is Harrison Painter, and until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, most importantly, keep up.
Education unties. AI is coming, and you need this light. What? This is our anthem. We're pulling for you. We're blazing ahead. Gonna see you